Hey, welcome to Web Show. This channel we talk about things that are based off of Web3 technologies, covering things like cryptocurrencies, NFTs, metaverse, topics like that. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about what is an NFT. Now, the easiest way to explain it is that an NFT is a non-fungible token, and this is basically saying that you have what is the original, the signed copy, the number one, the one that is not a duplicate, is what an NFT is. That's the easiest way to explain what an NFT is. It's basically saying that you have the Last Supper, Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper painting, the actual painting, not a copy, not something that is duplicated, the actual one. That is what an NFT would be considered. Something that is non-fungible, something that is not a reproduction of it. If you were to buy an original Jackson Pollock painting that couldn't be reproduced, that wasn't a copy, that was the actual Jackson Pollock painting, that would be what would be considered like an NFT, but a non-digital version of an NFT, but something that, wouldn't be reproduced. And the value of that you would be able to sell that for, the value that it would hold, would be the same example of what an NFT would be to be resold. So when we think about it as an NFT of giving something digital, say a piece of artwork or audio file, video file, etc., that original one that was made, that was produced, that gets put through the blockchain and gets what would be a digital certificate, basically, that says, hey, this is the original copy. Now, since we're talking about digital files and many different things can become an NFT, there has to be some sort of market out there of someone that is willing to buy that as a collectible, something that we would be interested in collecting, and the odds of it growing in value could be a possibility. And that's what makes people more attracted to buying this. Now, really popular places to buy NFTs would be, for example, OpenSea, where people do sell their different projects that they have on OpenSea, and it trades for mostly Ethereum, USDC, and other cryptocurrencies as well. Now, before NFTs, it was very easy for someone to create artwork that become online, and then many people can duplicate that and put it on different websites, and it's very hard to claim something as a copyright that many people have changed hands with. Now, what an NFT does is it does make that whole copyright process a lot easier by having official ownership of it, who created it, on the blockchain. And that's something that really does help out a lot of creators by showing that authenticity of where it came from. So I hope this was something that was able to help out a lot of people that had questions about what an NFT is. Now, I know I've made it very simple, and there is a lot of other things that I could be explaining, but just to give you the basic ideas is what I was trying to go for, and I hope that you did find this video useful. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out on this channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in the next video coming very soon.